In this video, we are going to discuss about the ionic bond. Let us see the definition first. The definition of an ionic bond is the strong electrostatic force of attraction between two oppositely charged ions which are formed due to the transfer of electron from one atom to another atom is known as ionic bond. Ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond. Ionic bond is the electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions, that is cation and anion. As you know, cation is formed because of the losing of electron, whereas anion is formed because of gaining of electron. And a force of attraction exists between these cation and anion, which is known as electrovalent bond or else ionic bond. In general, ionic bond is formed between the metals and non-metals. As you know, metals are nothing but those which can easily lose electron, and non-metals are those which can gain electron. Metals include first group and second group elements, whereas non-metals in general are group 16 elements and group 17 elements. Ionic bond formation is a redox process. A redox process is a process in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Let us take an example of formation of NaCl. NaCl, sodium chloride, is a common salt which can be formed from sodium atom and chlorine atom. Here in between sodium atom and chlorine atom, ionic bond is present. The ionic bond is formed between these two because of transfer of electron. Let us see. Sodium atom, when it loses an electron, it gets converted into cation, that is Na plus. Remember, positively charged ions are considered as cation, whereas chlorine, on gaining electron, it gets converted into anion, and anion is nothing but negatively charged particle. If you see here, sodium atom, as it loses electron, it gets oxidized, whereas chlorine atom, as it gains electron, it gets reduced. Both the process, oxidation and reduction, is occurring in the same reaction, so it is considered as a redox reaction. Maximum electrovalency in the formation of ionic bond is 3. We have seen electrovalency is nothing but the number of electrons which can be transferred from one atom to another atom in an ionic bond. Now let us see the factors favorable for ionic bond formation. Remember, ionic bond includes cation and anion. Cation is a positively charged ion, whereas anion is negatively charged ion. Cations with low ionization energy favors the ionic bond formation. Cations with lower charge, that is, if we compare the sodium ion and aluminum ion, sodium ion has +1 charge, whereas aluminum ion has +3 charge. In between these two, sodium atom has more ionic character when compared to that of aluminum ion. As the charge of aluminum ion is more, it has less ionic character. When it comes to the atomic radius, the cations with larger atomic radius favors the ionic bond formation, whereas the cations with a lower atomic radius favors the covalent bond formation. If we compare the ionic character of cesium, potassium and sodium, cesium has more ionic character when compared to that of potassium and sodium. Let us see the anion. Anions with higher electronegativity and higher electron affinity values will form ionic bond easily. Similar to that of the cation, anions with lower charge favors the ionic bond formation. If we compare the ionic character of fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, fluorine will have more ionic character when compared to that of oxygen and nitrogen. It is because fluorine has lower ionic charge. When it comes to the atomic radius of anion, always the anion with smaller atomic radius favors the formation of ionic bond. If we compare the ionic character of fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, fluorine will have more ionic character because the atomic radius of fluorine is lesser when compared to that of other three. Always remember that formation of ions of inert gas configuration is very easy. You know that inert gas configuration is NS2 NP6. The atoms which can gain NS2 NP6 electronic configuration after losing or gaining of electron will easily form ionic bond. And lastly, remember that no bond is 100% ionic in nature. There exists some percentage of covalent bond in the ionic bond. Remember, ionic bond is an electrostatic force of attraction present between cation and anion. Cation is positively charged particle, whereas anion is negatively charged particles. The number of electrons transferred from cation to anion is known as electrovalency, and the maximum electrovalency which can be seen for ionic bond is 3. Ionic bond formation is a redox process in which oxidation and reduction both take place simultaneously. Oxidation occurs in cation formation, whereas reduction occurs in anion formation. Thank you.